if you're experiencing low performance in Minecraft, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gameplay experience. Follow these steps to enhance your game's performance. Step 1. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the Options menu, then select Video Settings. Lower settings such as render distance, graphics set to fast, and smooth lighting to improve performance. Step 2. Allocate more RAM. In the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and click on More Options. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft by adjusting the JVM arguments, ensuring you leave enough for your system. Step 3. Install performance mods. Consider installing mods like Optifine, which can significantly enhance performance by providing additional settings and optimizations. Download and install the mod, then adjust its settings for better performance. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help Minecraft run more smoothly. Step 5. Update drivers and Java. Ensure your graphics drivers and Java version are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your graphics card to download the latest drivers, and check the Java website for the most recent version. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in Minecraft's performance. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.